Hello everyone, so hope you are doing well. So welcome to the 12th lecture in this series in which we are learning the basic component of Compose. So in this lecture we will learn how to use navigation in Compose. So in the it's an integral part of any app that user can navigate between different screens. So in our previous lectures, as we have already made different screens like splash screen, onboarding, sign in, sign up. So in this lecture we will navigate through this screen, like when user click on this splash screen, user will navigate to the onboarding screen, and on the onboarding screens, on the last screen, when user click on the next button, then user will be navigated to the sign in screen, and the next is when user click on the sign up text here, sign in button, or user will navigate to the sign up screen. So this is it. This is what we will do in this lecture. For this lecture we need navigation dependency. So as I have already inserted in here, so you can find the starter code from the description given below. So first of all we will start with the thing that we need to do in here. So we need to go from splash to the onboarding, and onboarding to the sign in and sign up. So for that I will first create the routes for that. So here I will create a package named as common, routes, which would be an object, splash, onboarding, sign up. And the next is we need to pass our different screens to inform the navigation controller, that navigation host, that we have these screens. For that we will go to our main screen, main activity. Here I will, in the set content, I will create a variable named as nav controller. And in this we will use NavHost to inform that which screens do we have. It will take nav controller as a parameter, and we will set the start destination in here, which would be routes.splash. So in here, in the navigation graph builder, we will provide different components, different screens. So we will type it here, composable route of this screen, routes.splash, and here we will pass splash screen. Actually I'm not able to identify the splash screen, my own splash screen, so let's see what's the name of that class. Actually it's composable screen. Let's rename it by pressing shift F6. Splash screen, and splash screen, and the next is composable onboarding, sign in, and the last one I will copy this from here and sign up screen. Okay, and the next part is we want to perform the navigation event, like when user click on this splash, screen, then we want to navigate to the onboarding. So for that we take the event from the splash screen. For that I will pass a function to the splash screen, navigateNext, which has a parameter string, and on the whole screen when user click on it, for that clickable, it will navigate to onboarding, and here it will we will use that function which will have routing parameters. So nav controller navigate route. So when user click on this column, which is the parent component of the screen, so this will trigger navigate next method will be triggered, and on the trigger of this method, the nav controller.navigate will navigate this screen to the specific route which we are passing in this string. So in this string we are passing the onboarding, so user will be navigated to the onboarding screen. So same will be goes for the other screens as well, like when user is on the last screen and hit on next, then will be navigated to next screen. So for that I will go to onboarding, pass the function in here, and on next button we want to go to sign in screen, and here is the thing, we only want to trigger this navigate next method when user is on the last item in here, last screen in here of the onboarding. So for that I will modify this function, if return type will be boolean, true means should navigate. To next screen. Here if current index is greater than the last index, that's mean user is already on the last index and want to move forward to the next screen. So here I will return true, and otherwise return false. So here was should navigate next. If should navigate next is true, then navigate to the next sign in screen, and the next is we will write the main activity code all together. So here from the sign in we will now to navigate to the sign up screen, and from sign up screen if user hit on sign in, then we'll navigate to the sign in screen. So for that first go to the sign in screen, pass the function as a parameter, here on the when user hit on sign up. For that we need to set to the modifier sign up screen, and for the sign up screen user can navigate to the sign screen. Okay, and the next is we need to apply this thing in the main activity. So in the main activity, our code is same for every screen, that we are not doing any special operation in here, just was calling the navigate method of the nav controller, which navigate to the next screen. So just copy this code here and paste it for all these 3 screens. So this is it, and the next is we are seeing the red icon here. Okay, just need to pass that function in these preview sections as well to remove this error. Okay, so I think everything is set up here at this point, so let's run it on our device. Select app from here and run it. Okay, so we had some error in here, so this is coming from our navigation dependency, that it's saying the least vision would be 34. So we will upgrade our project to 34 API version. Okay, so let's run it again. Okay, so this is our splash screen. So if we click on it, then we will navigate to the onboarding screens, and on onboarding screens we click on the last item of the onboarding, click on next, then we will navigate to the sign in screen, and on sign in screen if we click on this sign up, then navigate it to the sign up screen, and if we click on sign in again, then we will navigate it back to the sign in screen. So this is it. So this is how we can use navigation in Compose. So see you next time. Bye.